Okay, so this is our walk today at Gateway Mall. Kala mali si Mami, no? Kasi kala niya yung chat time nandyan sa first floor. Taas pala siya. So all of my videos will be posted at YouTube later. I think I saw Iggy Miranda downstairs. Parang makita ko. Baka nandyan si Iggy Miranda sa baba, siguro. That picture.
Yun yung binibili ng t-shirt ko.
Okay. Ay, parang sa third floor pa ata. Yeah. Ay, gusto mo kumain ng pho? Joke. So, we're here right now at Gateway Mall. I just take video so that I'll not feel bored. Okay. So, we are here today at Gateway Mall in Cubao. So, that's pho and Mai Tai. I hope to eat there. Parang we're gonna eat here. Dalawa pala ang pho dito. And that's the new wing of Gateway Mall 2. Mami, ang daming dalawang pho.
Kowa.
Dalawang pho. Mami, dalawang pho. Diyan tsaka diyan. So, plans change. I think we're going to Gateway 2 first. So, that is a Singaporean food. I'll just go up and down the escalator. So, this is Gateway Mall 2. Wait mo ko, I'll just go up and down the escalator. Yeah. So this is Gateway Mall 2. Okay. So may end na yung video ko. Punong-puno na yung phone ko po. So I'll just end this video muna. Bye.